Hi again, it's Colin. Just a quick update of the control panel. Very brief update, just to keep you informed on progress. And I'm very pleased with how it is up to now. Okay, I've slept on it and I've had a little change of heart. This yellow here, that piece, that one, and that little bit, and that one is coming off. I'm not happy with it. I might even take that piece off. I'm going to extend them. It's all down to this area here is my scissor point, and it's too close to put a piece across in both directions. So basically you'll see what I'm going to do. And this is all started due to that piece of track there, because I can't see it and I want to run a DMU from a station into it, and I need to indicate when it's in and cleared that point. So this has all come from that. That's why I wanted to put a detector in, and now I'm detecting the lot, and also I wanted the points for the lights. And I've also had a change of heart on the colours. I was doing red for straight on and green for going off there, and I'm going to have green on all of them. So I'll come back and show you what I've done and changed. All right. Okay, so that's the new idea. Unfortunately, all the colours don't show up on camera, but everything's a different colour. That colour is green, that is blue, and that's like a purple. But those three, unfortunately on camera, all look the same. But for me, they are definitely different. I mean, even if I get in close, you can't really see. You can't really see the difference, but you'll just have to take my word for it. It's due to the light, reflection and stuff like that. The other colours show up okay. They are what you can see. Well, on with a bit more. Okay, so the first 2 points are on the board. They're on the clockwise, the one what is under the town scene, and the one on the right is just as you come out. It's just showing on the right there of those tracks nearest the window. And if we press that, that changes, and that one changes. Smart, got them right way around first time. Quite pleased with that. I've set myself a jig up. This one here is the light is quite close to that, but it's okay, and that one's just perfect. So that's the first two. Now this crossing next, which I'll do. Those are pointing inwards now to go across the crossing. And if I take you out and hopefully, so that's them going across the diagonal. So that matches the track, what we've just looked at. And if I press this button, that makes that one turn and it operates the other side, the train will be able to come down that track down to the scissor and diagonal across, and that would then take it on the anti-clockwise return loop. And also, if there was an engine going back into towards the turntable, either a steam or a diesel, it would come round here, which I haven't got on just yet. So if I press that one up there, now they're going both across. So if a train was coming out of this line, which is out of the goods yard, and I wanted to go anti-clockwise, I would press that and that would take it out of the goods yard onto the anti-clockwise circuit. So there we have it. Up to now, it's amazing how I can do that test with all those holes in, and the lights go in perfectly. But when it's come to this board, it hasn't. They're giving me jip. But I think I've got it sorted for this set. So on with the next. Okay, another point done. This one here, which is, excuse the movement, that one there. So that's that one. I've just got to put a bit of blue from there going towards the turntable. So, Scooby-Doo, it's working out well. And this is the thing for the plug and play. All I've done is unclip everything. The only thing I have done is changed them to 2 green bulbs. But it's remembered everything. And all I've got to do is put the bulbs in the right way around. So, it's excellent. Very pleased. So onward a bit further. As I said, a very brief update. How it's going. I'm very pleased with it up to now, and I hope people are getting some ideas from it. I'm very pleased at the moment with how it's going. So please subscribe as normal, leave a comment, and look forward to speaking to you again. So bye for now.